we are on the road. Just leaving Griffith now. Heading to Darlington Point to get some fuel. And then on to Shepparton. River down at Darlington Point. Nice little caravan park out there on the left, and not sure whether we're going to get to see any water. Yes, we are. It's up a bit, looking pretty good. Now just heading into the town. Some lady in a nightie going in for a morning coffee. The old Punt Hotel. Nice little town, Darlington Point. Anyway, gotta go and get some fuel. Back on the road. Alright, we're heading past Colliambly now, and there's the old dredge. I think they fire that up once a year, but could be wrong. Next stop, Finley. All the vitals are looking good so far. We're only about 40 minutes into the drive. Roads are rough as hell out here. Country New South Wales, but so far it's going alright. Well, we're heading into Jerilderie, another lovely little town. Won't be stopping here for anything. Just cruising through. Kilometres to Finley. Might stretch the legs out there. Let's see how much fuel is here. A litre more than what I paid for in Darlington Point. Lucky I fueled up there. Anyway, that was Geraldry. Well, we're nearly there, and we hit our first road work, so bit of a delay. Hopefully won't be long. Temperature's starting to rise, but all good. Well, first part of the journey, 3 hours, nearly to Shepparton. Just a little town just north. Going to visit a mate. Catch up with my old man. And put this cam and straight cut gears in. So that'll be the next part of the video. Getting the hands dirty. Bring it forward again if we can. So we need to know what we're doing for the next one. So when I get a cam for the old grey motor.
See how the back one's moving?
Yeah.
Number 6. So that's the compression stroke. From what I've been informed. Ah. Oh, swap your side. You want an accurate mark on that? There's a problem that when they drop off, they can drop into the sump.
Yeah.
I think we'll be putting rags around that when I assemble that. By the time you watch the game, you won't be out here at 1 o'clock anyway. How long's the game? Sorry.
No, you're right. No, the game. Alright, straight cut gears, new cam has all been put in. Unfortunately, I had to take my wife to the hospital to get an MRI done. So my mate has kindly started reassembling everything for me. So we should have it ready to run this evening. It's now about 7:30 Friday night, and it's getting there. Well, there's the old camshaft. Not that it's old. It's nearly brand new. But I had the other one sitting there. Straight cut gears. So we threw her in.
In 600 meters, at the roundabout, continue straight to stay on.
Alright, back to Griffith. Just cruising into town now. 6 hours, and the car is going fantastic. Very happy with the straight cut gears and the new cam. Not really sure if this will pick up the whining of those straight cut gears, but they sound great. So everything went really well down in Victoria, except for freezing my ass off last night and windy as hell. But everything else went really well. The changeover with the camshaft went very well, thanks to my mate Damien. We haven't caught up for a long time. We used to muck around with cars 30 years ago, and yeah, sort of drifted apart a bit, but we're good to catch up. Both still into cars. And yeah, I guess I'll leave the video here. Thanks for watching if you've gotten this far. And yeah, see you on the next road trip. Home sweet home.